Your first stop should always be T-Mobile's official channels. Head to T-Mobile's Network Status Checker on their website, tmobile.com/status. This tool provides real-time information about network performance in your area. Make sure location services are enabled on your device to get the most accurate results. This is the fastest way to get official confirmation directly from T-Mobile. Another great resource is the My T-Mobile app, available on both iOS and Android. Log into your account and look for the Network or Support section. The app uses your phone's GPS to pinpoint your location and query real-time network status. It often provides more granular details than the website, including estimated restoration times if there's an outage. For immediate assistance with potential outages, you can dial 611 directly from your T-Mobile phone. This number connects you instantly to T-Mobile's customer service team. Simply open your phone's dialer and enter 611, then press call. This dedicated line is specifically for T-Mobile customers and provides faster access than general support numbers. Once connected, you'll speak with a customer service representative who can help diagnose your connectivity issues. Describe the problems you're experiencing, such as slow data speeds or dropped calls. The representative will check for any reported outages in your specific area and provide real-time status updates. To verify your account and ensure accurate assistance, be prepared to provide your current location details or account information when requested. This helps them pinpoint issues and offer personalized solutions. Third-party websites like downdetector.com play a valuable role in detecting service outages by collecting reports from users across the network. These websites work by collecting user reports from people experiencing connectivity problems. They compile data from thousands of submissions to identify patterns and highlight areas where service disruptions might be occurring. For example, a typical dashboard might show total user reports, like this one displaying 7,864 reports for a service outage, along with geographic distribution and trends over time. In this case, the dashboard shows a total of 7,864 user reports, which helps indicate the scale of the potential outage. The websites often include interactive maps showing heat maps of problem areas, allowing users to zoom in and see where issues are concentrated in specific regions. The key value of these sites is that when many users in your area report problems at the same time, it strongly suggests there is a genuine service outage rather than just isolated device issues. Graphs can also show trends over time, such as this comparison of outage reports for different carriers, helping users understand if issues are widespread or carrier-specific. However, it's important to remember that these websites are not official sources. They rely on voluntary user submissions and may not always be completely accurate or reflect the most current status. For the most reliable information, always cross-reference what you see on third-party sites with official T-Mobile sources, such as their Network Status Checker or the My T-Mobile app. Outages can stem from various factors: infrastructure overload during peak hours or events, physical damage to cell towers due to weather or construction, and cyber attacks can all disrupt service. Even software updates can sometimes introduce bugs. Knowing these causes can help you understand the nature and potential duration of an outage. Infrastructure overload occurs when high user demand exceeds network capacity, such as during concerts, emergencies, or major events. This can strain cell towers, routers, and data centers, leading to slowed speeds or temporary outages. Physical damage can result from severe weather like storms or blizzards, fires, or construction work that affects cell sites and undersea cables. For example, a blizzard might knock out power to generators, or construction could damage buried lines. Cyber threats like DDoS attacks or malware can target core routing systems, billing infrastructure, or network management. These incidents have increased significantly in recent years, overwhelming systems and causing widespread disruptions. Even routine software updates and firmware rollouts can sometimes introduce bugs or configuration errors. These might affect core network operations, leading to outages until patches are deployed. Understanding these common causes can help you anticipate how long an outage might last and what steps might be needed for restoration. While T-Mobile resolves the outage, try basic troubleshooting steps to ensure the issue isn't with your device. First, restart your phone by holding the power button and selecting Restart. Next, toggle airplane mode on and off. This refreshes your connection settings. Then, check that your device's software is up to date in the settings menu. If possible, connect to Wi-Fi to maintain connectivity during the outage. Remember, these steps might not fix the outage, but they can help rule out issues with your device. T-Mobile is continually working to improve network reliability through strategic investments in advanced technologies. Investments in AI-driven network monitoring have dramatically reduced outage times. From an average of 3.5 hours in 2020, we've achieved under 1 hour today through predictive maintenance. The rollout of 6G technologies by 2030 promises ultra-reliable, low-latency communications, making networks even more resilient against disruptions. With decentralized architectures like edge computing and hybrid cloud integrations, T-Mobile aims for 99.999% uptime, potentially reducing outages by 50% in the coming years. While outages can sometimes be unavoidable due to external factors, T-Mobile remains committed to minimizing disruptions and keeping customers connected with reliable service.